Fire in the hole, let's cook some wings. Hey, let's play a little game. Every time I say tequila in this video, you count the times, and whoever comes up with the right answer will give away some root boy rub, okay? So count how many times I say tequila in this video. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I've got some chicken wings. I've got about 9 chicken wings that I cut into drums and flats for the presentation of it. Shut up, dog. We're gonna marinate these in some of this. This is tequila. This is tequila exótico, reposado, 100% hecho in Mexico, 40% alcohol, blue agave tequila. We're just gonna dump a little bit of tequila on my wings just to get them started, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of this stuff. This is Nelly and Joe's Key West lime juice, famous Key West lime juice. Anyway, yeah, let's get this open and dump a little bit of Key West lime juice on there. These are, if you haven't figured it out by now, it's tequila lime jalapeno chicken wings, and I've got a diced up jalapeno that I'm going to put in there, and we're going to mix that all up real good, get that all over the wings, and let them sit a while the fire comes up to temperature, and then we're going to get them in the rotisserie basket, and of course that'll give me an excuse to make a rotisserie video. You know what I'm talking about, because I got to bolster my views somehow. Anyway, we got that tequila and lime juice and jalapenos all over them wings. We're going to let them sit in there for a while. Then we're going to put them in the rotisserie basket and get them spinning on the grill. And you know what I always say about my spinning meat, right? Okay, stay tuned. I'll show you what that looks like. I got my tequila jalapeno lime wings spinning on the rotisserie. That's the best way to cook wings in my opinion. Let's get these wings cooked up, and then we're going to make a sauce to put on them with tequila and lime juice. Stay tuned. Okay, while the wings are cooking, I got my mini food chopper out here. We're going to make the sauce for these tequila lime chicken wings. And we're going to start it out with some cilantro. Got a bundle of cilantro here. I'm going to cut the tops of it off. A nice bundle of cilantro. I love cilantro. Good stuff. It's the best. Cut some more of it off. Get it in that food chopper. There you go. Then I got some garlic, about 9 cloves of garlic. I've got some onion, a half an onion, should be enough. Get that in there. And another jalapeno that I cut up to put in my mini food chopper, a whole jalapeno. Okay, let's punch that down a little bit. Get that emulsified up a little bit. Okay. Now, we'll put in some liquid ingredients. Some of this Nelly and Joe's Key West lime juice. Shut up, dogs! About a couple of tablespoons of Nelly and Joe's Key West lime juice. And then we're going to put in some of this tequila. And you know what, it occurs to me that I didn't taste it for quality. So I better taste it to make sure it's good stuff. Oh yeah, that's tequila, all right. Yeah, we're gonna dump about a half a cup of tequila in there. Raw tequila. Good stuff, let me tell you what. I also got to put some salt and pepper in there. I forgot to bring it out here. I got some root boy rub that I'm just gonna throw some root boy rub in there. I'm gonna get that blended up, and that's gonna be the sauce for the chicken wings. Shut up, dog. My neighbor's dogs are raising hell today. I don't know why, but they must know I'm back here. Anyway, let me get my sauce emulsified up, go back and get the salt and pepper and put in there. I use root boy rub number 1, that's salt, pepper, and garlic, which you've already got garlic in there. Salt and pepper and a little bit of spices that's in it, not going to hurt a thing. So that's the sauce for the wings. As soon as we get the wings done, we'll get them off there, get them in a bowl, sauce them and plate them and eat one and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Well, the wings are done and they look good enough to eat, but we're going to kick them up a notch with this tequila lime jalapeno sauce that we're going to sauce them with. Oh yes, look at that. That's some green goodness right there. Let me tell you what, get them in the bowl, get them tossed around in that tequila lime sauce. Don't that look good? It's good enough to eat. Yes sir, that's what I'm talking about. That cilantro makes it, baby. Get some of that sauce on there. Alright, yes, I think we're coming to the end of the video, folks. We're gonna get some of these tequila lime chicken wings on a board and dress them up and drink a beer, so stay tuned. Okay, the wings are done. I've garnished them with some cilantro and some Mexican cotija cheese. If you can't find cotija cheese, you can get some feta cheese. Feta cheese works just as well as cotija. In fact, I think it tastes better because it has a little bit of a sharper bite to it. Anyway, here's today's beer to go with our Mexican feast. We've got some Dos Equis Amber. Shut up, dogs! I've had enough of those dogs today, I can tell you that right now. Anyway, let's get the top off this beautiful Dos Equis Amber. Oh yes, it's very amber, a nice amber ale. Dan, you like an amber ale, don't you? How about you, Rob? You like an amber ale? I do. When it's Dos Equis. How can you beat Dos Equis? Double cross, baby. You can't beat it. Okay, so let's quaff the froth off of that, Rob. Let's take a sniff of it. I have no idea what to expect. It's an amber what? Cerveza? Amber cerveza. I don't know. I guess it's an ale. Let's take a sniff. Yeah, it smells great. It smells great. A good beer. Amber Dos Equis. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? What in the old days, you know, back in the old days, I used to drink a shot of tequila and chase it with beer. But those days are gone. Anyway, let me pick out a likely suspect for my chicken wing inspection. There's one. How about that one? Don't that look good? Tequila lime chicken wings. Let me get a bite of that. Oh my goodness. That's delicious. That sauce is bone-sucking sauce. Let me tell you what. That is some good stuff. The cilantro and the cotija cheese just makes this awesome. I'll just throw that in there. Anyway, babies, that's my video. Count how many times I said tequila. Let me get this piece of cheese right here before it gets away. I love cheese. I love chicken wings, cheese, anything that starts with C. Well, anyway, yeah, chicken wings and cheese, they're the best. Anyway, count up how many times I said, what did I say? Tequila, and we'll total up the numbers. Whoever gets closest or guesses it right, I'll do a random drawing from those people, and we'll give somebody some root boy rub. Also, you know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see the Drunken Barbecue. This guy's a trip. He's like in the middle of Norway or somewhere. I don't know where. It's someplace cold. And he takes his barbecue out in the woods and cooks all kinds of stuff. So go up and see the Drunken Barbecue. Subscribe to Root Boy Cooks. The dogs have finally shut up now that the video's over. And make this tequila lime chicken wings. You won't be sorry. Trust me. Bye.